When we talk about health, we usually think of how long we can live. But what if we also considered the quality of life during those years? That's where health expectancy comes in. Health expectancy combines information about how long people live and how healthy they are during those years. It's a way to see how many years someone can expect to live in good health, and it can be measured using different methods. In the European Union, EU, there are two main ways to measure health expectancy, one based on self-perceived health, SPHHLE, and one based on disability weight, DWHLE. The SPHHLE method asks people to rate their own health on a scale from excellent to poor. This information is then used to estimate how many years a person can expect to live in good health. The DWHLE method uses data on illness and disability rates to estimate how many years a person can expect to live without serious health problems. So which method is better? That's what researchers wanted to find out. They looked at data from 28 countries in the EU between 2010 and 2017. They compared the results of both methods and also looked at life expectancy, LE, and the proportion of life spent in good health, %GH. The researchers found that both methods were good at predicting health expectancy, although there were some differences. The correlation and reliability between the two methods were good, especially for men. However, there was more variability for women. The researchers also found that as health expectancy increased, the difference between the two methods also increased. Overall, the researchers found that both methods have their strengths and weaknesses. The SPHHLE method is easy to use and understand since it only requires one question. However, it relies on people accurately reporting their own health, which may not always be reliable. The DWHLE method is based on more objective data and can better capture the impact of different health conditions. However, it may be more difficult to understand and requires more complex calculations. So why does this matter? Health expectancy can help policymakers understand how to allocate resources and promote health in their populations. By using different methods, they can get a more complete picture of how healthy people are and where they need to focus their efforts. In conclusion, health expectancy is an important measure of population health that combines information about life expectancy and quality of life. There are different ways to measure it, and each method has its strengths and weaknesses. By comparing different methods, researchers and policymakers can get a better understanding of how healthy populations are and how to improve their health.